Lead time is the total of both value-added and non-value-added activities. Here's the lead time formula. Lead time is equal to the sum of all wait times plus the sum of all cycle times. Cycle time is the time from the beginning of the process to the end. The second important formula is value-added ratio, VAR. Value-added ratio is equal to total time of value-added activity divided by the lead time. Next important definition is changeover time. It is the time that requires to change a tool. If you're not working in manufacturing environment, you can think of a printer. After a few thousand pages, you will need to refill ink or change printer head or add paper to the tray. It is important to note that the time that is required to change tools is required procedures, but it's a non-value added activity. Little's Law. Let's start by defining the terms. Lead time, LT, the total time that it takes for a unit to be delivered to the customer. Work in progress, WIP, the total number of units or orders that are in the queue. Throughput rate, TRP, the rate at which the system outputs units. The formula is LT is equal to WIP divided by TRP. Consider an example of a drive-through restaurant with 10 cars in line. It takes 80 seconds on average to serve the food. Calculate throughput process per minute and lead time for the 11th car. A throughput per minute is a ratio of 60 seconds to 80 seconds, which is equal to 0.75. It tells us that the restaurant serves 0.70 cars per minute. The lead time L is work in progress, or in our case, the number of cars in line divided by the throughput rate. So therefore, lead time is equal 10 divided by 0.75, which is equal 13.3. It tells us the 11th car will have to wait 13.3 minutes before it will be served. It is useful to notice that you can calculate it in a different way. Take 80 seconds, multiply by 10 cars, and divide by 60 seconds, and you'll get the same answer. 80 times 10 divided by 60 is equal to 13.3. Quite often, it is the goal to reduce lead time, and you can either increase the throughput, complete item faster, or reduce the number of items in queue. Reduce or restrict work in progress, WIP.